So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to display current day, month and year using DAX in Power BI. So for this tutorial, I have already made one new measure. This is basically a current date time, and for that I have made use of now function. If you see over here, I have simply made use of now function because we all know that now function returns current date and time in datetime format. Let's see how we can get current day. So for that, right click on your online retail. This is basically my data set. Click on new measure and let's give it a name as current day. Just a second. Okay, it is over here. So I will give it a name as current day, and we'll have to make use of day function. And inside my day I will pass now function because we know that now returns current date and time, and just hit enter. And as you guys can see, we have created one new measure as current day. So let's select this. Let's see what it contains. And instead of bar, let's say I want a car. And as you guys can see, the current day is 12. We can easily cross check that using the current date time card. And similarly, we'll repeat the process for month and year. Right click on your data set, click on new measure. Let's give it a name as current month. And this time instead of day function, I will use month function, and we'll pass now function inside this, and just hit enter. Just select this current month, and instead of bar, let's hit card. So as you guys can see, the current month is 6, which is basically June. And let's repeat the same process for year as well. So right click, new measure. It is taking some time, so we'll have to wait. Let's give it a name as current year is equal to, and this time we'll make use of year function. Inside that we'll pass now function and just hit enter. And select this current year. Let's see what it contains. And instead of card, let's say card I want. So as you guys can see, we have all three information in front of you using now function, and we can easily cross check this with this current date time. So in this way, we can display current day, month and year using DAX in Power BI. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.